What's up everybody? Welcome back to TV, Bisayang Englisero. The goal of this channel is to help non-native English speakers speak English naturally and confidently. United States of America has 50 states. Some of them are easy to pronounce, like Alaska, California, and New York. And some that are not so easy to pronounce, like this.
O G L E Gulo gulo.
After you finish this video, you will have the confidence to properly pronounce every state of America with ease. And without further ado, let's get right into it. Arkansas. It's not Arkansas, it's Arkansas. Colorado. Colorado. It's not Colorado, it's Colorado. This one, very tricky. You might be pronouncing this as Connecticut. It's not Connecticut, it's Connecticut. Connecticut. The only island state in America, Hawaii. Hawaii. This one, Illinois. Illinois. Notice the S there. It's not pronounced. It's just Illinois. Iowa. Iowa. Louisiana. Louisiana. So this one, instead of S, let's substitute the S with Z. Louisiana. Louisiana. The next one is, if you look at it, you would think it's so easy to pronounce, but no. So instead of pronouncing it Maryland, it's Maryland. Maryland. Michigan. It's not Michigan, it's Michigan. Michigan. So this one is just a subtle mispronunciation. So instead of Nebraska, it's Nebraska. Nebraska. And same with Nebraska. This one is pronounced Nevada. Nevada. New Hampshire. It's not New Hampshire, it's New Hampshire. New Hampshire. This one, it's not Texas, it's Texas. Texas. And the last one is Utah. When I was working as a call center agent, I had a very hard time pronouncing this one properly. It's not Utah, it's Utah. Utah. So tell me in the comment section below which state you had the hardest time pronouncing or which one surprised you the most. There you have it, folks. Those are the states we are most likely to pronounce wrong. See you all in the next video. God bless you all.